Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May bless you and keep smiling always. Be happy in your life. First of all, thanks for supporting me and welcome to back my channel and you thought of my video. So friends, I want to share fashions, article design and I hope you like these videos. In this video, I am sharing most trending and most beautiful ideas collections. Miso tops are the integral part of traditional attire of these designs are trendy of natural culture. The fabric used of miso tops, typically cotton silk, make it comfortable. These design feature vibrant color like red, green, yellow and blue. Our design look great and fine. Favorite pattern now. Our design are every beautiful and amazing collection for you. So if you want more decent pattern and more decent ideas, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon buttons. You see new and latest update. I hope you enjoy this video and helpful for you, so don't forget the video. Watch the end start to the all signs are very simple and easy to make at home. You know, guys, some people they like light color and some people like red color. But in this video, you see all color design ideas. This design often geometric background and nature inspired element reflecting the deep connection between the so pattern and nature. The fabric used in these tops is not only beautiful but also breathable and comfortable, which makes stylish and practical to wear. The fabric used this top is not only beautiful but and breathable and comfortable, which makes stylish and practical to wear. I hope you enjoy this video helpful for you. You know guys, every fashion lovers always searching cute and unique ideas to their work shine more and more. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends and family members. Traditional attire of is design and trendy of natural culture. The fabric used of typically cotton silk make it comfortable. The design feature vibrant color like red green and yellow green. I design a very beautiful amazing collection for you. So